Hello, yes, good morning everybody. I hope you can see my screen and also hear my voice clearly. Today is the first day of the month. This is 1st of November. So today basically I'd like us to look at our charts from the monthly point of view. We'll start off with the rest. Let's see exactly what we expect to be happening during this month. First things first, I will clear my chart. Then we're ready on the monthly chart, as you can see. So on this chart, basically, we did see some strong bearish momentum to the low side. You can see what happened. This is the previous month. We had something which closed like some pin bar here. So what this could be meaning is that the price may likely continue to the low side. But before then, we do have our levels here. We have a very good level here. We have another level here. And then we have a trend line here. We have a trend line there, and then we have a level here. We have a very good support here. We have a support here. We have a support here. There is this move to the upper side. The price came back down, and then it came back and touched this level, the zone which I'm going to highlight now. So basically on this chart as you're speaking now, we do expect sellers to push price downwards, especially if you look at it from the point of horizontal levels. We have some good level here. This is like some support here. There's a move up, then there's a break below, there's a continuation, there's a break above, there is support, and then this candle here actually broke below it. So as it is right now, we are looking for the possibility that the price may continue to the lower side, at least with our first target fixed at this price here. So the price may continue down. If the price is to continue to the lower side, we do expect it to continue down at least up to this point here. If it does break below this level, then the next level is 1.05423. So we'd like to see price continue down, break below that level, then pull back before it can continue much lower, at least up to around 1.05423. So this could be a good area to look for a sell from, at least up to this point here as our first target. Then the next target is this one, the one we have at around 1.05423. I hope that makes some sense. So the next symbol which I want us to look at is Gbp Usd. So with the Gbp Usd so far, the same thing which is happening on Euro USD, we expect it to happen on Gbp Usd. We do expect sellers to dominate. So we have here, we have a support here, we have a support here, we have a break below, then there's a resistance, and then we have a support here, and then you have a support here. So technically, these are the key levels to look for. These are the key zones that are relevant as we're speaking now, because the price is within the two. We are looking for a sell here. If you're on this chart as you're speaking right now, look for sell positions at least up to this level here. So expect sellers to push price down up to somewhere around 1.32555. So this could be a good place you want to sell from. Have your stop loss above this point, and then have your take profit at this level 1.32555. I hope that makes sense. The next symbol is the US dollar Japanese yen. So the US dollar Japanese yen so far, with the US dollar Japanese yen so far, we are in some active uptrend. There is a level here. We have a very good resistance level there. Look at what happened. The price technically closed beyond 113.735, which means if the next candle opens above 113.734, then this could actually be a good place to look for a buy from, at least up to this target here, 116.972. So we are going to be looking for buy positions on this chart during this month. We want price to give us clear buy signals at least up to this level here, and in case the price breaks beyond this point, 116.972, then the next target is this one, 124.085. The next symbol is gold. With gold so far, let's see what we expect to be happening. With gold, we actually are expecting for price to continue consolidating. Okay, I'm going to explain why I'm saying this. It looks much more clear on the 1 hour chart. I mean on the weekly chart. So we have that level there, have this level there, and then we have this level here. So technically, we'd like to see what happens if the price should break beyond any of these levels. If the price goes above this line here, the upper one, then the next target we expect price to go up to is this level here. That means the price may break beyond this point, retrace back, and then continue up. So that would mean that we are looking for a buy around this point here. So this will act as the best place to look for a buy from. If you're on this chart as we're speaking now, if the price should successfully break beyond this upper trend line, then this will mean we are now continuing up with our first target at 1912.09. Then the next target is 2036.82. And in case the price does not break beyond this red line here, then this will be a good place to look for a sell from, at least back to this trend line, the one we have at the very bottom. The next symbol is the SP500. So with the SP500, we've seen price continue significantly to the upper side. I don't recommend a sell on this chart as it is now. On the monthly chart, we are bullish, therefore we do expect just some pullback. If the price can pull back at least up to where we have 45.1, this level here, then this should give us the correct place to look for a buy from. So technically, SP500 is buyers are in control. We want sellers to push price correct themselves up to this point here so that we pick a buy position. The next symbol is the Brent oil. So the Brent oil so far, this is also bullish, but the price is around a very significant resistance level. We do have a resistance level here, we have another here, and then we have another one here. So as it is now, it looks like the price is struggling around a significant resistance zone, which is this one, 83.067. So if the price does not clearly break and close above this line, if the price does not clearly break and close above 83.067, then this will act as a good place to look for a sell from. We want to sell it there, at least up to this point here, 71.808. Our next target is this one here, and then our next target is this one here. On the upper side, we do have an ultimate level, which is this one here. So on this chart, technically, other than the fact that we do expect a sell from around this area here, we are likely to see price continue to the upper side up to this point, up to the next point, or up to the next point here. And in case the price pulls back down, then we have a level here, we do have a level here, and then we have a level at 25.849. So thank you very much. This should bring us to the end of today's analysis. I will meet again tomorrow at the same time. So the reason I've focused mostly on the monthly chart is because we are opening the month currently. We expect that at least we make some good analysis for the month so that we know exactly what to be expecting on various charts before we can do the charts individually, or on every day, sorry. So thank you very much. We meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you. See you.